Yeah. So, good evening, guys. Welcome to Durga Soft online training sessions. And myself, myself, K. Prakash Babu, having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. See, this batch is actually, there are two batches in this. So, the title of this batch is Basic Java Package. So, in this batch, let me give the complete information about the course details, then we will see remaining things. So what courses will be covered in this? So first we are going to see core Java. So then we are going to discuss about JDBC like advanced Java. Then servlets, it is also related to the advanced Java. So JSP, after that we are going to finish so UI technologies, so like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery, these are things we are going to see. And even we are going to talk about Oracle 19c, and with all these tools we are going to develop one mini project. So this is nothing but the tools which we are going to cover in this total basic Java package course. Okay, the duration of this course is 4 months. So Jan, so Feb, March, April. You can expect the course completion almost at the end of this April. And fees for this particular batch is 12,000, including materials and videos. And very, very important, timings. So the timings of this batch is not at 9 o'clock. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is a normal track. Normal track in the sense, slowly I'm going to explain the concepts from basic to the next level. Okay. And in these, there are two batches. The people who are interested to attend only core Java, you can select core Java. That is nothing but module one. Course one is nothing but so only core Java. So you can pay and you can register by paying rupees 5,000 for only core Java. And course 2 is nothing but what? This basic Java package. Okay, basic Java package. In this, all these four courses like core Java, advanced Java, UI technologies, and Oracle. These four courses will come. So for this, the fees is nothing but rupees 12,000. So it is up to you, your choice. So if you want to develop the complete full stack, better to go for this basic Java package. If you need only core Java, you can go for this. Okay. So up to 1.5 months or 2 months, only core Java will be there. So parallelly, we are going to discuss this UI technologies as well as Oracle. But once if the completion of core Java over, then only we will discuss about JDBC, servlets, JSP like that. Okay, this is nothing but our course pattern, course details. So if you are having any queries, please let me know. Then I will show you the syllabus. Any questions? So feel free to ask your queries. So already this batch got started. It is an add-on batch. The batch is started last week. It is an add-on batch.
Sir, what is this add-on batch? Matlab, already the 1 week for the past 1 week, something why already might have been covered.
Yes, those things I will cover for you people.
Okay, that means
So
again it is not a starting new batch.
no, it is a starting batch only. Last Monday we started a new batch, sir. So just to add few more people into that batch, just we plan another temporary batch. We will combine this batch with that. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Whatever
Okay.
topics I covered for them, I'm going to take for you people, and I have given some short break for that batch for 3 days.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
you understood my point, right?
Understood. Understood.
Yeah, right. Any other queries regarding the Course details.
Uh, Hello, sir. What's the
Yes,
duration for the course Java?
ma'am.
What's the duration for the course Java?
Around 45 days will be there, ma'am. 45 days. Since it is a normal track, excluding holidays, you can expect 2 months. By the end of Feb, you will get finished with core Java.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Yeah, let me start this core Java. Actually, this core Java, we are going to plan totally in 5 modules. Okay. So what is the first module here is, so what is the first module that we are going to cover? Part 1. So here we are going to discuss only about fundamentals. Like if I want to develop any Java program, what basic things are required? Introduction. So introduction to Java programming, how you can able to write, and steps to prepare Java application. See, if I want to prepare any Java application, what steps we need to follow, and what are the softwares required so to run Java application. So if I want to develop a simple Java program also, some basic softwares and some IDEs also required, right? Like how to download and how to install those IDEs. So how to develop a program on that, how to create a project, how you can execute that basic steps and all we are going to cover here. After that, so we will talk about the keywords and identifiers. So at any programming language, whether it may be C or Java or anything, so keywords and identifiers is the common thing. Like some words are there in Java or any other language as a fixed meaning. So those are called as keywords, and we will be having some identifiers also. And identifiers means the words which we are defining, and how to write comments, and some naming conventions which is very very important, and data types, and typecasting, how you can cast, I mean how you can convert so one type to another type. Then we have literals. Some people may use the word called constants. Then operators. After that, input and output statements. Next, and after that, selection statements. Next, iterative statements. So next we have transfer statements. So then we have nested loops. Nested loops in the sense something like inner loops. So after this we are going to see so pattern programming, like how to prepare the patterns. So in these fundamentals also we are going to conduct some kind of quizzes, like on each and every topic. So we will be having a quiz, so you can participate, and it is a interactive based quiz. Like questions will be displayed on my screen, and you have to select answers from your mobile or something like that. And the leaderboard position will be there, negative marking will be there. So who is going to come first? It is a kind of challenging and more tricky questions will be there in this quiz for every topic. And even coding based questions also will be there, like some programs I'm going to solve and some programs I will give as assignment for you to practice. And I will use some hacker rank link, so with almost 100 plus programs, just for practice purpose you can practice these things. So this is nothing but a part 1 fundamentals we have. So we will spend maximum time on this. In this time period I'm not going to take any extra sessions, because so learning fundamentals is very very important for this Java, right? That's why maximum time we will spend on these fundamentals. Once if we are clear with fundamentals, remaining things will become very easy. This is nothing but the first part in our module 1. Any queries? Any queries?
So whatever you will type the program, that the program will get us Prakash, or how it is? that
No. What is your question? I'm not getting you properly, sir. Can you please repeat?
no, my question is that let's say you are typing the program as part of the each of the topic, right?
Yes.
So that program, how you will provide means you will share that program to us or
Yeah. We are going to share a running notes. You can see here. It is a previous batch running notes. Like
oh,
every
okay,
program, I'm going to type and I will copy and I will
okay,
share.
okay,
See
okay,
here.
okay.
Everything I'm going to type and I will execute. Okay.
Oh, yeah, got it. Thank you.
Sir, one more thing, like for the Java practice programs, like how these program softwares you will be providing to us?
Yeah. So software is not required, sir. Once if you install, see these coding based questions, just like problems today I'm going to give, you have to repeat answers to me. So whereas coming to the quiz, it is online based quiz. Like I'm going to share I'm going to display the questions on my screen, and you have to attempt that one. Okay. Then currently it is tools, a platform, online platform. Will show you how it is going to work. Once if the topics got completed, I will show you how you execute the programs. Okay.
Okay.
If you want 1 second, I will show you one thing. Yeah, you can see it is a demo link actually. It may not work. 1 second. You can see it's a kind of a platform, sir. I'm going to give this link for you people. You have to practice this. So almost more programs will be there here. You can see like this. You need to select any program. You have to click on. You can see. So question will be there as well as constraints and some sample test cases also I'm going to give. You have to type and you need to run the code to check whether it is working or not. If it is just you need to click on submit button. See, in this, you can expect basic level programs to advanced level programs. So maximum basic level programs will be there, and some modern programs also will be there. Top level program around 100, sorry, 10 or 15 like that. And very important, sir, the people who are there in final year or pre-final year, for that this course is going to be helpful. I mean, this coding practice. So these things are going to be helpful. Okay, sir, clear? Sir, clear everyone? Any other questions in this one?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Are you providing us a video, record video?
Yes. Once if the session got completed, we are going to share the video on the same day night itself. Okay.
Okay.
And these videos will be accessible for you only for 6 months. That's why whenever the session completed, maximum try to revise the video as early as possible. Okay. It will be in your drive for 6 months. Once if time period completed, automatically it is going to be deleted. Sir, any other questions on fundamentals? If you are clear, then we will move to the next one. What about arrays strings? Yeah. Arshit, please wait. Just I discussed only part 1 of our Java. Just only syllabus. And one more thing, let me show you that quiz platform also, so that you can get some clarity. So it is a previous batch video. Just we are going to have a quiz like this. Yeah, like this. A quiz will be there. You can see. So the questions are going to be displayed on my screen. Student has to select the answer, and finally we are going to decide who is going to come first next, like that. So this platform I will introduce how to execute and all. So it will be there only for fundamentals. So for remaining parts, we are going to see different patterns. This is part 1, sir. Okay. Now coming to this Java part 2. In this part 2, main important topic like object oriented programming, that is nothing but object oriented programming we are going to see in these we have around 50 subtopics are there. 50 subtopics are there. So I don't want to type each and every topic name, like method overloading, method overriding, constructors, so factory methods. Okay. Instance factory methods, static factory methods, so static block, instance block, like a number of things will be there in this. Okay. I don't want to type each and everything. And in these code based, output these questions also we are going to discuss. Like once if the session got completed, I'm going to show some 5 or 6 questions. You need to judge the answer. Okay. And this very, very important here. Interview questions are very, very important because majority of the companies are going to ask the questions only based on these oops. So that's why I will focus on OOP concepts. So the second priority after learning fundamentals, need to get more priority on these OOPS concepts. Then part 3, once if it is OOPS completed, we are going to see so containers in Java, like how you can able to hold the data. So for that we have some special utilities, like we have arrays are there, and the strings are there, and the collections are there. So what are some strings? These are containers. They contain data. So strings can contain data. And the collections also a objects. Like these are the containers, and we are not required to think anything about this. So this is the most easiest part in the Java. But lengthy topics will be there. But all are predefined. We are not required to do anything. So for arrays, predefined support is there. For strings, we have 4 classes are there. Like string buffer, string builder, for and collection we have array list, link list, so list, map, dictionary, like that we have number of things are there. So this is nothing but part 3. So the first advanced topic is we are going to talk about regular expressions. Like so what is mean by regular expression, how you can able to develop regular expression for validations, like that. Next, wrapper classes. Of course it is outdated, but it is very, very important. Okay, these are deprecated, but there is one concept called auto boxing, auto unboxing. This is also very, very important. And sorry, I forgot to mention. So for containers, so I'm going to give some 10 10 tests. 10 tests I'm going to give. So every test contain, okay, every test contain, so 50 questions. 50 questions. So with the negative marking, just for practice, you need to practice. At the end I will show you how it is going to work, and I'm not going to take this in live class. I will share the link in the WhatsApp group. So I will give some time. On the time you need to start and you need to end the exam. And on arrays 2 exams will be there. On strings, so 2 exams will be there. Rest of the exams will be on collections. So it is a kind of a different platform I'm going to introduce. And if you are thorough with, so I can guarantee that you can attend any kind of interview with the comfort. Everything is a predefined and easy will be there. I forgot to mention there. Regular expression, wrapper classes, exception handling, next multi-threading. Okay. So next and after that, very important, like lambda expression. These are new features. So functional interface, functional is then stream API. So these are things I'm going to. These are Java new features. And the last part, so which is nothing, storage areas. Storage areas. Like sir, I developed one application. It is working fine by using all these concepts I have. But I want to run this. Client and I want this. Client is a program. You must data right. For that we have 2 things are there. One is a file handling. Second one is database handling. For I will use both MySQL and Oracle. Both I'm going to explain. So okay, this is what. So Java is what we have. I divided it into 5 parts. So in these 5 exams will be there for fundamentals. So part 2 and part for these I'm going to give exams there, and the coding questions will be for part 1. Okay, output based will be for this, and for this container Java based on this we are going to develop a small console based mini project. We develop, like what are the concepts that we are understanding, that we are learning. So with the help of those concepts we will develop one project with a live, and some what you can say, some ideas I will give, you can develop by your own. If you are having it also, we will have interaction and we will do that. Okay, so this is nothing but the syllabus we have for Core Java. Any queries? Yes, enough, guys. Any queries?
Sir.
Sir, any queries, please confirm.
Sir, one query is there. I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, you are audible, please.
Do we have any fast track, sir?
No sir, no sir, we don't have any fast track. We don't have any fast track. Maybe you can expect in the month of February fast track batch, that too weekend.
Okay.
So hi Prakash sir. So
Yeah, hi.
again, means each of the topic you have written in the board, right? So each of the topic you have given a programmatic example, right?
Yes, sir, exactly.
Okay, so that program you will copy paste on the notepad
No,
and that
no,
will
no,
be
no, no, no. I'm going to type each and every program with my own hands and I will execute that program and then I will copy paste into your running notes and I will share that.
okay. Okay, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. And I too expect the same thing from you people. Don't copy paste my programs into your system and execute because definitely it will execute. You have to try by your own. At least 3 times you can try. Fourth time you can see and you can type. Don't paste. At this stage it will be very easy, but once if you go, it will be very difficult. That's why while learning, please learn from the scratch. My sincere request for everyone.
Sir, one more thing. The basic C is good enough, sir,
Sir,
for Java.
as per almost 5 or 6 years back, if you want to learn programming language, so compulsory you must have an idea of some programming languages. Then it will be good. But nowadays that is not a matter, sir. The person who don't know about programming language also they can learn. So the only thing is time taking up to certain level. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just you need to put some extra concentration there. So once the streamline, it will be good. Any other queries?
Sir, what's news about
Yes,
to
sir,
build
definitely.
something?
You need to go for frameworks, you want to be expert. And one more thing, just question you ask, this course is suitable for students who don't know anything about Java, okay, and the students who wants to learn full stack. See, training institutes and everywhere full stack Java people are always fast track. So within 3 months I want to, it is highly impossible, sir. So with practical things I'm telling, so full stack Java if you want to learn minimum, so 8 to 9 months you need to spend. Okay, so already we have learned Java or some technologies like Oracle, these things, then it will be very easy for maybe 6 months or 5 months. It is okay. But without any knowledge, learning full stack is very difficult. That's why first you should have a knowledge on basic things like Java, one database connectivity, either it may be SQL or Oracle or MongoDB or anything. So UI technology, one framework, or programming language. With all this stuff, if you can able to think how working in the background, I'm not asking about the implementation, how it is working honestly. If you have the idea, then the framework will become easy. Then you have all the and you can develop the project easily. So there is the framework here, auto boxing is. If you don't know about auto boxing, from that point, class won't understand. So that's one very important. So the people who don't know anything about or any other, so for them it will be useful. Who are final year or pre-final year or freshers with 1 year experience, for them it will be very good. And you are changing their job. Or people who want to shift from non-IT sector. So you people have to learn frames because for freshers, company people are trying to on the utilize. So for experienced candidates, these frames they want to give. So compulsory, the people who have some experience, they learn frameworks also in addition to this. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Clear. Everyone, right? So next, just I will start one pick later. Of course, another PM will be there. There will be a syllabus of UI technologies. UI technologies. Okay, Oracle 19C also I will do on advanced Java. Advanced Java. This syllabus I will explain the next coming sessions because complete syllabus I am not going to take here. So now I'm going to start. Now I will start one practical topic so that you can able to understand and you feel that how Java will be. Okay, is it possible for us to understand or not? Like that you can. Okay, so the first top only intro part going to explain people data types. So with your knowledge, even tell me what is by data. At least by seeing, okay, by seeing the words and you can frame and you can imagine something like that, right? So tell me what is mean by data type. At least you can guess. Okay, sir, can I use the word call? So data type represents the type of the data that we are using in our program. Okay, sir, what type of data you are using in your program is decided by data type. Sir, is the definition is okay? Everyone, please confirm. Is the definition is okay?
Yes.
Sir, can you please give some example? Sir, I am going to give, I want to represent weight of a person. Sir, weight is almost 82 kg. Like weight is equal to 2. Sir, 82 is what type of data? Integer. Have you ever used one special word called int? Int means here integer. Here means here integer. So it is one data type. It is next percentage to 75.5. So data is float. Float means it is also number. Points represent price. Okay. These things we measure by using points, right? Hence, it is what percentage. Similarly, so I will take a person as a Kalyan. Have you observed? I use code. It is nothing but names. Whose name? Person name. It is considered as a string. So these are nothing but data types. So in holding of data, sequence of characters. Hence, I used a word called string. There are 75.5. It is floating point. So point representation. That's why further there is one separate name called float. So 82. It is a value. Hence, like we have. Yes. Sir, this clear everyone. Please respond. Please be active. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. In example, so int, string, or data types. What we are using is nothing but data types. Now I'll give one small mini project kind of thing, case study. So one case study. So we will analyze. What is that is I'm taking employee management system, employee management like that one EMS software developer. So by developing across various types, sir. Okay, like sir, I noticed that employee ID we are using. Employee name will be there. Okay, right. So the name will be there. So next after that, employee associated with email ID. So it associated with some salary. So every employee is gender like a male or female, something like that. So married or not, something like that. Next mobile number. Next and after that for communication purpose, address will be there. Okay, and also designation like what is the role of that particular employee in the company. Like you can consider n number of things. Employee ID is one of data. So I will use numbers like employee ID 1, 2, 3 like that. Name is one of data. So just now I have given exact string. Strings with a group of characters. So what about email ID? It is also string, sir. What about salary? It is something base value. Means what? Representation will be there. Indirectly, it is called as float. What about gender? So is a boolean which can take value. Say yes or no. This type of thing there. So sorry. It is nothing but what? M or F. What about married? Yes or no? What file number? Don't tell it is a string. So if you store mobiles, you are not going to do it, right? You use only for separation. Happily work, there is no problem at all. Okay. Sir, address is it is a string type. Sir, designate what type it is. Small note I am going to cover. What is that means? In Java, not only Java, in all programming languages, the most commonly used data type is string, sir. Very important. If you learn string very well in Java, happily you can ask maximum concepts will be there based on only. Suppose whatever I covered. Do you have any questions? Please come.
In Boolean, it will be true or false, no?
So, come
Sir, in Boolean, we have a values of true and false, no?
yes, just for your
Valid.
understanding, I have given like this. So later we will change. Okay. Any other queries, guys? Right.
Sir, why we
One,
are using character for gender?
madam, male or female, M or F. Some people may use called male, okay, so or female, like that you will type. Comparison will take some time. If I use M and then F, comparison is very easy, right? Have you observed, madam? It is how many characters? 4 characters. This one how many characters? 6. But these two are one character. Space wise, got it?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Please. That's all. This is nothing but today's demo. So tomorrow also demo will be there. Okay, just today I explained only the syllabus part and just to data type. Tomorrow we will see that UI technology is a syllabus and then continuation of these data types. Okay, like that demos will be there. After that, regular classes will be there. Again, before closing the session, what is the time of this session? The time is not 9 o'clock. Remember, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. session will be there. Guys, please confirm.
From
Yes.
tomorrow, sir.
No. Regular classes. Demos will be there as usual.
Okay.
So demos are from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. only.
Okay.
First class, right? That's why I am winding up 45 minutes. Okay.
So regular class will be happening to Friday.
Yes, Monday to Friday. These classes will be from 9 to 10, sir. From Monday on, classes will be from 8 to 9. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that is a regular class, sir.
Yes, sir. Regular class. Sir.
Okay, so not before that, you're starting before that, huh?
No.
Okay. So the classes will start from Monday onwards. Otherwise, it is only a demo which we have from 10.
Yes. In the demo, so what I will regular class. You treat it as normal already started. Okay.
Okay.
And if you are having any some time on doubts clarification session, I mean 8 to 9 session will end to 90 or 9:15 like that. If any student is having any problem, any concept, then we'll spend some time. Whole class I'm not going to read. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. And guys, see you in the tomorrow session. Same link, same timings. So 9 o'clock. Join 5 minutes before. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Right in the last session that is yesterday, add on that. Okay. The title of the course is Basic Java Package. The courses you are going to get in this basic Java package, around 4 courses to get, like Java, then Java, then UI Technologies, Oracle 19C. These 4 courses you will get along with one mini project in basic Java package. The duration of the course is 4 months, January, February, March, April. Maximum by the end of April, we will complete this. So fees for this batch is 1000. Actual times of this session is 9 o'clock, sir. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And it is a normal track. I'm going to explain each and every concept in this 1 hour duration. So clear explanation by taking some time. So is there are courses you can select if you need, that is a 5,000. So the people who wants to complete this complete mini project, the complete front backend if you want to learn except frameworks, you can go with our package which in 4 courses 12,000. Okay. And one more very important conclusion. So yesterday I forgot to mention. So our batch is from 18 maximum try to be before after. So some I may plan this UI technologies from 70 and some I may plan Oracle 19C from 8. Maximum chance are there. So parallelly, Java complete. So before starting this advanced Java, in the middle of core Java or in the ending of core Java, I will announce the batch technology. I mean, batch. So people are going to join that. Please maintain this kind of thing because this is very important. At which we are not going to see. So maximum 2 slots will be there. Core Java, advanced Java is going to be finished from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. only. If I take this UI and 9C from 7 to 8. So in the gap also there will be continue. So in such cases, we will take minutes UI 15-20 minutes. After that, core Java class is going to be started. Like that, plan will be there. Maybe all these things we will discuss. So in the middle of core Java, till completion of the fundamentals, there won't be any disturbance. There won't be any parameters. Okay. So in the demo, I need to give this information. That's why. And coming to yesterday, I explained core Java syllabus, which contains almost 5 parts. In the first part, we are going to see fundamentals, some quizzes and coding programs, hacker ranking. In the second part, object-oriented programming, where 50 to 60 topics we are going to cover, along with output-based programming questions and also interview questions and strings, collection, frameworks, everything will come. So, in the end, we are going to plan it contains 50 multiple choice questions with a negative. So, getting top, like getting you won't do anything. It is a kind of revision for people. So whether you good at study, and will have MCQs, one test where for. So just you read code and you need to select the prime with there, time limit will be there, and even we have a kind of negative marking, so you get the correct answer. So you'll put your mind right. Okay. And part 4 advanced where other expensive water classes section thing. There's some job you look ladder expressions, function interface, system API, all are pre-defined. Next in part store areas there, like file handling, dash handling. So by concluding this, you will see a small console based mini project also. So this is nothing but details about the course what we have to cover. So if you are having any queries, please let me know. Now, go it. Sir, yeah, everyone.
Sir, in the core job, which part it will be?
Very good question. Actually, this is a wrong question. There won't be a separate syllabus for the different versions. The syllabus is come. In we are going to get some new features. Like we have 23, 24 versions are there. Every version, some new concepts will be added. So beyond there will change, but small minor changes we will ignore because it is not right. That's why small things are not in focus. So main stable versions are there, like Java 8, Java 7. So in that, what are the concepts are there that I'm going to cover in this part only. Okay, so you can consider Java 8, Java 17. This is my main focus.
Okay.
Any other question discourse?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Part 1, Part 5 will be included in core Java.
Yes, it is in core Java. The syllabus where I explained till now is core Java only. Okay.
And in advanced you are taking this Oracle and
Yes, that will be there. Just I have only first practice core Java syllabus. That's all as of now. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Even if we started data types, but if moving to these data types, so still 3 more courses are there, like UI technologies, called 19C Java. So collections, Ready. You can see you attended right here in part 3. Clearly, I mentioned collections. This collection next will come. Okay, everything will be there in collection only. Got it? Right. So yeah, good. So now let me give the syllabus for Oracle 19C. So today let me give the syllabus for Oracle 19C. So how this 19C name came? What is meant by the C? Okay. So what are the different versions are there? That's what we'll see in the regular class. So let me give syllabus. This is any modules. So because it is a database, very easy. But of course will be there that we need to focus. So here first we are to see on every course fundamentals are very important, right? Fundamentals of database. Like we are going for the data. So if you don't have any database, we can clear. So what advantages are there? So our files subjects are there. Everything we are going. Okay. 12K is expensive. You can compare with other institutes, sir. You will get clarity. Right. So more worry, sir. So I think once the course is initiated, you will get feeling. Till that, we have to see the content, sir, not the fees or stuff. We have files before demos will be the right. Okay. So fees related things. This is fixed fees and offers. Then so we're going to see SQL and there are some clients are how you can to work on the tools like structure query language. So what are the client tools that we have? We have SQL plus is there, SQL developer is there. Okay, so PLS developer, we have different kinds of things are there. And after that we are going to see the data types like programming language in database also. While storing the data, compulsory you have to give type of the data. So then these SQL commands are divided into different like data definition language commands, then data manipulation language commands, top level language in detail with multiple tasks we will discuss. And data query language, so the EQ commands are there. Then DL commands, data control language commands are there. All things we discuss. Okay, so then after that we are going to talk about operators for big operation. So like other programming languages, here also operators will be there, but there won't be input output because so we will use other tools like to push the data to data to get the data from database. So we use some inferences. So we won't directly involve with. But if you want to, we can use command prompt and all that SQL plus is there. So then we are going to see kind of constraints there. Okay, so we have constraint like integrate constraints. So we have primary key, so our key default point check constraint. Okay, so how you can use these constraints. For example, email ID. So email ID cannot be duplicated. Mobile number cannot be duplicated. So in this case, we have to give one special key. So when you are trying to push duplicate key, immediately it is going to error. That we have some condition. So not giving mark of a student. Default it will be 0. So how it is going to be in the schema, you need to give that. That are we going to discuss next. And after the join, how you can able to combine the table. My table is available in different tables. So how you can able to get the combined data? Yes, because everything will be able. So combine that will be available in different tables. So we have to just example. So the road India. So you can use Aadhaar number to integrate within table. Any data. For example, I want to bank accounts. So even Aadhaar number fingerprint there. So you can fill bank details. So your Aadhaar database is connected to bank database. Like that, everything we can. That means we can combine that text. Further, we have there. Okay, next and after we have use are there thing like a temporal table and index to make in touch operation. So we have indexes are there. And we have some clusters are there. All these things maybe some people don't know. So everything I will explain. Sequences, how to create sequences. So we are going to cover on mini project also. In that also I'm going to use a sequence and subqueries. Like if you are taking any query within another query, they as one subquery. So how you can use subqueries? Okay, so how you can interact with the subqueries? How to use these subqueries? What rules and regulations are there? Everything we are going to see. Okay, next partitions. So partitions means what? How you can able to use these partitions? What are different types of partitions are there? then SQL functions, then PLSQL written. How to do the program PLSQL, what kind of programming you able to do. Okay, so then subprogramming. So in that we are going to discuss about stored procedures. Stored procedures means what? Okay, next control statements. So control state we are going to discuss here, and cursors. What do you mean by cursor? How you will use the cursor? Okay, if exception is spreading about in Oracle, so how to deal with it? Then records, how you can deal with record, then functions, how to create functions. So even this also we have basic functions are then extend of that triggers. Okay, so at last packages. So these are nothing but topics which we are going to cover on this article 19C. As now I divided into parts. Okay, I divided into modules. So we'll see on flow. This is nothing but article 19C syllabus. If in any quiz on this syllabus, let me know. Clear?
So, yeah, I have core Java. We have taken, so all the syllabus in the core Java we've taken in that it will be covered here.
No, not getting your question.
Like you have said about Java fast track, right? Some days back.
Yes.
So the same thing covered. I missed the one and core Java now. So the same will be covered here.
Yes.
Okay. So in case to take the core Java, in case you need, can we add this or take more?
Suppose if
Okay.
time is good enough, then we won't give any other batch. Directly we will
Okay.
start. So if stress is very less, then only we done another batch for this.
No, not at all. See,
No,
it is
I'm
from
not,
core
yeah,
Java.
I understood. So you ask first you register for core Java, later you will join for Oracle 19. See, that is your
Yeah.
question. Actually, here it is 4 courses are there right now. So we are going to deviate only 2 courses at very beginning. So the people who will smoothly the class will be there for 8 to 9 for around 5 days. Once it is completed, this is completed, then the people who register for all the courses continues. Maybe only for one course the batch will do this. That's the UI.
Okay.
Understood, ma'am? For this Oracle 19C and Advanced Java, they don't need is continuing from the.
And that's what I can continue paying the remaining fees in case we need.
No, that is not
No.
possible. That's what I mean.
Okay.
That facility will be only UI with some fees.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, fine.
Sir, please may I continue?
Sir, batch time will be 20 per month.
Yes, rest of is so that's why I told you. So you can be make available preventive also for around some 3 days. So why because this UI is there, I'm going to plan this batch 7 to 8. That will be I'm given also in the month.
Okay.
So once if the core Java 50% completed, then only I add a new batch for UI energy from 7 to 8. In that you people are going to join for UI. Remaining 3 courses will be there in duration of this year. And it is only on weekdays. It is only on weekdays. Maximum there won't be any weekend sessions. But if any of demands more exercises, some easings and some functions, so if I want to demonstrate, I will plan. And even sometimes I'm going to take up if you are clear with all these concepts, how this range is calculated. So in a physical mathematical formula, I will explain. Clear? Please confirm, everyone.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Clear, guys? Please confirm. Clear, guys? Please confirm, everyone.
So just the difference between byte, the small one and the big one. Please tell
No
me, sir.
problem, ma'am. Just ignore. That's all. Slowly we will get it.
Okay.
Okay. Still, if you are getting confusion, one small code I am writing. Listen. Byte b is equal to 111. It is a number, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now consider I have a container like I have a list. List dot add of b means immediately we will get error. So same thing, byte b is equal to, so new byte of 111. If you take like this, and if you take a list dot add of a b means, so it will add, no error. So why, what is the reason? This one is object. This one is a primitive. Got it?
Okay.
Just as of now, remember like this, remaining things anyway we will see. There is it is second session only, right? We have so much of content is there we will talk about that. You will get more clarity in the collections. I will explain that. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Sir, everyone clear? Yeah, right. So now I'm going to take one small diagram. See, what I'm going to take here is just I want to calculate minimum and maximum value for byte. See, how many bits will be there for one byte? Anyone tell me?
8.
8 bits.
Good, 8 bits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits are there. Just I want to make a duplicate copy of this. Why? Because one is to hold minimum value. So another one is to hold maximum value. Suppose if it is a bit, how many values are allowed in this? Only two values, either 0 or 1. Correct? Please confirm.
Yes.
See, if
The
I'm
data gets
taking,
stored in binary.
yes, if I'm taking all zeros, it will be definitely minimum. Correct? If I'm taking all ones, it is nothing but maximum. Will you accept this? See, if I want to get minimum value of any data type, we will put all zeros in this. If you want to get maximum value, we will put all ones, because 0 is the minimum, 1 is the maximum, right? Clear, guys? Right. One more point. See, I am removing this last bit. Why? Because in binary terms, this last bit is meant for sign. Maximum value means definitely it will be always positive. If it is a positive number, we have to take 0 here. If it is a negative number, minimum means negative only, right? So we have to take 1. So while calculating, you should ignore this, because it is purely meant for what? Sign purpose. Okay, and this bit is called as MSB, most significant bit. If MSB bit is 0, it is a positive number. If MSB bit is 1, it is a negative number. Clear with the theory part? Next one, it is a positive. So binary number means what? Only two digits will be there, 0 and 1. That's why this bit is 2 power 0, this bit is 2 power 1. So 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. If you calculate, so 2 power 0 value is 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square 4, 2 cube 8. So next 16, then 32, and then 64. So if you add all these things, we will get 127, sir. And the sign is what? Plus. That's why the positive value for byte is nothing but what? Plus 127. So this is nothing but what we have. Clear, guys? Everyone clear? Please respond so that I will go for next one and I will conclude today's session.
Mm.
And just for your reference purpose, I am telling this. No need to remember this or no need to by heart all these things, because we have a predefined tools to calculate max and min. But how internally it is generated, I am explaining. Okay. So coming to this, sir, 2 power 0. So 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. So 2 power 5, 2 power 6. But all are zeros. See, if it is a positive number, directly you can convert. If it is negative number, somewhere I think in your course you have covered already this one in your UG or PG courses. So 2's complement we have to calculate. What is a 2's complement formula? 1's complement plus 1. Excluding this sign, remaining things, 1's complement. 1's complement means what? We have to convert 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. For this we have to add 1. 1 plus 1, 0, 1. Don't tell it is 2 because it is a binary. Again 1 plus 1. So 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 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 0, 1, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. So what is the 2 power 7 value? 128. What is the sign? Minus. So like this we have to calculate. Internally, this memory calculation will be done like that. But as a programmer, just we need to know how it is generated. But we have a tools directly to calculate. Clear, guys? Clear, everyone? Yeah. So remaining things anyway, we will continue tomorrow. Last note, very, very important. So only demos are at 9 p.m. to 10. So what about regular class timings? Everyone, please confirm. What about regular class timings?
8
8
to
to
9
9.
p.m.
Yes, good. 8 to 9 p.m. From Monday onwards. So the class timings is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Everyone clear up to this? If you are having any queries, please let me know. Remaining people, you can leave. Any queries means having 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. See, this batch is actually, there are two batches in this. So the title of this batch is Basic Java Package. So in this batch, let me give the complete information about the course details, then we will see remaining things. So what courses will be covered in this? So first we are going to see core Java. So then we are going to discuss about JDBC, like advanced Java. Then servlets, it is also related to the advanced Java. So JSP. After that we are going to finish so UI technologies, so like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery. These are things we are going to see, and even we are going to talk about Oracle 19c, and with all these tools we are going to develop one mini project. So this is nothing but the tools which we are going to cover in this total basic Java package course. Okay, the duration of this course is 4 months. So Jan, so Feb, March, April. You can expect the course completion almost at the end of this April, and fees for this particular batch is 12,000, including materials and videos. And very, very important, timings. So the timings of this batch is not at 9 o'clock. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is a normal track. Normal track in the sense, slowly I'm going to explain the concepts from basic to the next level. Okay, and in these there are two batches. The people who are interested to attend only core Java, you can select core Java. That is nothing but module 1. Course 1 is nothing but so only core Java. So you can pay and you can register by paying rupees 5,000 for only core Java. And course 2 is nothing but what? This basic Java package. Okay, basic Java package. In this, all these 4 courses like core Java, advanced Java, UI technologies, and Oracle. These 4 courses will come. So for this, the fees is nothing but rupees 12,000. So it is up to you, your choice. So if you want to develop the complete full stack, better to go for this basic Java package. If you need only core Java, you can go for this. Okay. So up to 1.5 months or 2 months, only core Java will be there. So parallelly, we are going to discuss this UI technologies as well as Oracle. But once if the completion of core Java over, then only we will discuss about JDBC servlets JSP like that. Okay. This is nothing but our course pattern, course details. So if you are having any queries, please let me know. Then I will show you the syllabus. Any questions? So feel free to ask your queries. So already this batch got started. It is an add-on batch. The batch is started last week. It is an add-on batch.
Sir, what is this add-on batch? Matlab, already the 1 week for the past 1 week, something why already might have been covered.
Yes, those things I will cover for you people.
Okay. That means
So
again, it is not a starting new batch.
no, it is a starting batch only. Last Monday we started a new batch, sir. So just to add few more people into that batch, just we plan another temporary batch. We will combine this batch with that. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Whatever
Okay.
topics I covered for them, I'm going to take for you people. And I have given some short break for that batch for 3 days.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
you understood my point, right?
Understood. Understood.
Yeah, right. Any other queries regarding the course details?
Hello, sir. What
Yes,
is the duration for the course Java?
ma'am.
The duration for the course Java?
Around 40 days will be there, ma'am. 45 days. Since it is a normal track, excluding holidays, you can expect 2 months. By the end of Feb, you will get finished with core Java.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Yeah, let me start. Actually, this core Java, we are going to plan totally 5 modules. Okay. So what is the first module here is? So what is the first module that we are going to cover? Part 1. So here we are going to discuss only about fundamentals. Like if I want to develop any Java program, what basic things are required? Introduction. So introduction to Java programming, how you can able to write, and steps to prepare Java application. See, if I want to prepare any Java application, what steps we need to follow, and what are the softwares required so to run Java application. I want to develop a simple Java program, also basic softwares and some IDEs also required, right? Like how to download and how to install those IDEs. So how to develop a program on that, how to create a project, how you can execute the basic steps and all we are going to cover here. After that, so we talk about keywords and identifiers. So at any programming language, whether it may be C or anything, so keywords and identifiers is a common thing. Like some words are there in Java or a language as a fixed meaning. So those are called as keywords, and we will be having some identifiers also. And identifiers means the words which we are defining and how to write means some naming conventions, which is very important, and data types, and how you can cast. I mean, how you can convert so many to other type. Then we have little. Some people may use the word called constants. Then operators. After that, input and output statements. After selection statements. Next, use statements. So next we have transfer statements. So then we have nested loops. Nested loops is something like inner loops. So after this we are going to see pattern programming, like how to pair the patterns. So in these fundamentals also we are going to conduct some kind of quizzes like on each and every topic. So we will be having a quiz so you can participate, and it is a interactive based quiz. Questions will be displayed on screen and you have to select answers from your mobile or something like that, and the leaderboard position will be there, negative marking will be there. So going to come first is a kind of challenging and more tricky questions will be there in this quiz very top. and even coding based questions also will be there. Like some programs I'm going to give assignment for you practice, and I will make a rank link. So with almost 100 plus programs, just for practice purpose, you can practice things. So this is nothing but part one fundamentals we have. So we will spend maximum time on this. In this time period, I'm not going to take any extra sessions, because so learning fundamentals is very very important for this Java, right? That's why maximum time we'll spend on these fundamentals. Once we are clear with fundamentals, remaining things will become easy. This is nothing but the first part in our module 1. Any queries? Any queries?
So I will type the program that will let us what is
No,
that
no, no. What is your question? I'm not getting you properly, sir. Can you please repeat?
no, my question is that you are typing the program as part of the topic, right?
Yes.
So the program, how you will implement it? You will see program for
Yeah. We are going to share a running notes. You can see here. It is a previous batch notes. Like every
okay.
program, I'm going to type, and I will copy paste the output also, and I will
Okay.
share.
Okay.
Everything I'm going to type. Like, okay.
Okay. Got it. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, one more thing, like for Java practice programs, like how what the software you will be providing us?
Yeah. So software is not that's only install. See, code based questions is something like problems only. I'm going to give. You have to type one mission, and you need to send answers to me. So whereas coming to the quiz, it is online based quiz. Like I'm going to share. I mean, I'm going to split the questions on my screen, and you have to attempt. Okay. Then last hacker rank is a tools like platform, online platform. I will show you how it is going to be. The topic got completed. I will show you how you can execute the programs. Okay.
Okay.
If you want 1 second, I'll show you one thing. Yeah, you can see it is a demo link actually. Not 1 second. Yeah, you can see it's a kind of a platform, sir. I'll give this link for you. You have to practice in this. Almost more programs will be there here. You can see like this. Just you need to like one program, and you have to click on solve. You can see question will be there, as well as constraints and some sample test cases also I'm going to give. You have to type the program and code to check it or not. It is what you need to click on submit. See, you can expect basic level programs to advanced level programs. So maximum basic programs will be there, moderate programs will be there, top level programs are not, sorry, not related to be there. And very very important, sir, the people who are in final year or pre-final year, for that this course is going to be helpful. I mean, in practice. So these things are going to be helpful. Okay, clear? Clear? Any other questions in these fundamentals?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you the video recorded video?
Yes. Once if the session completed, we're going to share the video on the same day night itself. Okay. And these videos will be accessible for you only for 6 months. That's why whenever the session completed, maximum try to revise the video as possible. It will be in your drive for 6 months. Once if time period completed, automatically it is going to be deleted. So your questions on fundamentals, if you are here, we will move to yeah. Please just discuss only one hour Java. Just only syllabus. And one more thing, let me show you that quiz platform also, so that you can get some clarity. Previous batch video, just we are going to have a quiz like this. Yeah, like this. A quiz video, you see. So the questions are going to be on my screen. Student has to select the answer, and finally we are going to decide who is going to come first next lecture. So now I will introduce how to execute and all. So it will be there only for fundamentals. So for remaining parts, we are different patterns. This is part one, sir. Okay. Now coming to this Java part two. Is part two main important topic, like object oriented programming. That is but object oriented programming. We are going to see in these we have around 50 subtopics are there. 50 subtopics. So I don't want to type each and every topic name, like method overloading, method overriding, constructors, so factory methods, okay, instance factory methods, static factory methods, so static block, block, like a number of things will be there in this, okay, each and everything. And is output based questions also we are going to, like once the session got completed, I'm going to cover 6 questions. You need to judge that, okay. And very important here, interview questions are very very important, because majority of the companies are going to ask questions based on these hoops. So that's why I will focus mainly on. So the second priority after learning fundamental, you get more priority on this OOPS concepts. Then part 3, once OOPS completed, then we are going to see so containers in Java, how you can able to hold the data. So for that we have some special ways. We have arrays are there and the collections are there. So what is the purpose of these strings? These are containers. Like in contain some strings can contain some data. The collection is a group of objects. Like these are containers, and we're not required to think anything about this. So this is the most easy topics will be there, but all are predefined. Not required to do anything. So arrays predefined sub is there. For strings we have 4 classes there, like string buffer. The collection we have array list, linked list, so list, set, map, dictionary, like that we have n numbers are there. So this is nothing but part 3. So this is nothing but part what we have. Okay. So part 5, sorry, part 4. So this is nothing but some advanced topics will be there. What are the advanced topics that is? So the first advanced topic is we are going to talk about regular expressions. Like so what is mean by regular expression? How you can able to develop regular expression for validations, like that. Next, wrapper classes. Of course, it's outdated, but it is very important. Okay, these are deprecated, but there is one concept auto unboxing. This is also very important. And sorry, I forgot to mention. So for containers, so I'm going to give some 10 tests 10 tests